In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a follow-up email in Calendly. We're going to use a workflow template, which is the quickest and most reliable way to automate post-meeting emails. Start by opening your Calendly dashboard and heading to the Workflows tab. This is where all your automations live, and using it keeps your follow-ups consistent without needing to remember manual sends. Once you're in Workflows, choose a template that fits your goal. You'll see options like Email Thank You to Invitee for a simple appreciation note, or Email Follow-up with Resources if you plan to share links, documents, or next steps. Pick the one that best matches your tone and intent. You can tweak the content later, so don't worry about getting it perfect at this stage. Next, decide which event types this workflow should apply to and click Apply. Event types are the different booking options you offer, like a discovery call, a demo, or a consultation. If your follow-up message should be different for each, set up separate workflows per event type. If it's generally the same, you can apply one workflow across several events to save time. In the When This Happens section, set the trigger to After Event Ends. This ensures the email only goes out once the meeting has concluded. Then define the delay. Choose a time frame that feels natural for your workflow. 1 hour after the event is great if you want to strike while the conversation is fresh. A delay of 1 day can be better if you want to include a thoughtful recap or additional resources gathered after the call. Now move to the Do This section and click Edit to customize the email subject and body. Keep the subject clear and helpful, something like, "Thank you for meeting today," or "Resources from our meeting." In the body, aim for a friendly, concise tone. You can reference the meeting, thank the invitee for their time, and outline next steps. If your template supports placeholders, use them to personalize the message with the invitee's name or the event name. When sharing resources, link to files or pages rather than attaching large documents, and make sure the links are accessible. When you're happy with the message, click Save to activate the automation. From now on, Calendly will automatically send your follow-up on the schedule you set for the event types you selected. That's it. Your post-meeting communication is now consistent, timely, and hands-off, letting you focus on the conversation while Calendly handles the follow-through.